All right, so day one of the olive oil lemon challenge. My daughter's up, and if you hear anything, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, this is my face now. Got a little bit of a breakout right here. You know, this is day one. Today is the 21st of what's today? 21st of April. This is how my skin looking right now. Not too shabby, but we'll see if we can get it better. Bottoms out. Not bad, but still bad. All right, day one down. Morning, day two. All right, day two. Got a seed in my mouth from the lemon. I feel like the lemon actually helps with drinking it a bit, with drinking it actually, surprisingly, because of the oil, you know, like it helps like tone it down a little bit. Anyway, day two down. Day three.
Yes, day three. This is good?
No, it's not good, my love.
It's good.
All right, all done.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. All done. Day three down. Day four. When are they gonna get better? The lemon was in this time. Day four done. Day five. All right, good morning. Just finished working out. Day 6. Day 6. A little too much olive oil. Day 6 down. All right, and day 7.
Is it?
Have to use lime with it today. Didn't have any more lemon. So, do I feel like that stuff works? So it's supposed to be really good with like inflammation, aiding in digestion, and just skin health, and also liver health as well. So I feel like it was beneficial. I do feel like it was beneficial. I feel like I did notice a difference in my skin. I feel like there was also a difference in my skin due to a mask that I did, and I'll link that up here. But because I did that mask during the 7 days, and I felt like that was beneficial as well. So this on top of that really had my skin like really glowing these past 7 days, minimized my pores a lot. It's been a long day. Minimize my pores a lot, and I just noticed that my skin has really been, you know, glowing these past like 7 days since I've been doing this, and then also a mask that I did. So I give it a 2 thumbs up. I feel like it was actually beneficial. I would do it again because inflammation is like really horrible for your body. So I would do it again to reduce inflammation. Let me know what you guys think. As far as, would you try this? Yeah, would you try this? Okay. All right. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. And let me know what you want to see. Bye-bye.